Today we'll learn how to make 2 fun and easy autumn crafts, fall corn and a thankfulness pumpkin. For the corn, you'll need beige pipe cleaners and some fall-colored pony beads. For each ear, take 4 pipe cleaners, cross them over each other, and twist. Then adjust each stem so they're equally spaced. Now you can begin adding your beads. You can add them in patterns or randomly, just have fun with it and be creative. And remember to leave about 1.5 inches at the end of each. When you've added all your beads, it's time to bring all the stems together. Twist them all together at the top and use the outside pipe cleaner to wrap it around to make them all secure. And now you have your first ear of fall corn. Now repeat with as many colors and patterns as you can imagine. For the thankfulness pumpkin, you'll need orange and green construction paper, crayons, scissors, a stapler, and some glue. First, you'll need to cut 9 strips out of your orange construction paper. To make it a little easier, I marked out 1-inch strips with a ruler beforehand. And in the spirit of thankfulness, take a moment to think of what you're thankful for and write one of those things on each strip of paper. And then lay your strips writing side down into a circle. Then grab your circle by the middle, flip it over, and staple them all together. Take your time to adjust them here so that they all are spaced out evenly. Now similarly to the corn, we're going to take each of those and gather them all to the middle, except this time we're going to leave out one. That's so we have space to put in our stapler, but don't worry, we'll get back to that one. Now we'll add a dot of glue to the top so we can add our last strip. While that's drying, grab your green construction paper and draw a pumpkin leaf, which is basically an upside down heart with a little tab on the end. Add some veins, and then we're going to cut this out as well as a thin strip off the side. This part might need a little bit of adult help, but we need to ribbon curl the little strips of construction paper. You could also achieve this by wrapping your piece of construction paper around a pencil. And these will serve as little vines to hang off the top of the pumpkin. Now grab your glue and put it all together. We're going to start by adding the vines, then one last dot of glue for the leaf. And now we have a fun decorative pumpkin to remind us of everything we're thankful for this season. For more homeschool fun, make sure to subscribe to the Time for Learning YouTube channel.